Hello everyone, and welcome to Coin Engineers. Today I will show you 3 NFT projects that you should follow. You've probably heard all of them if you're already in the NFT world, but I will also give you guys a few tips. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. So we'll start off with Bored Ape Yacht Club. Now I can hear you saying that this collection is too expensive and you're not sure if your budget allows you to invest in it. But remember, Yuga Labs, which is the creator of Bored Ape Yacht Club, is also the creator of Other Side Collection, and this means they may launch other NFT projects in the future, and that may be okay for your budget. For example, you can see this, the floor price is under 1 Ethereum. Now who knows, maybe in the future they will launch a new project which will be less than 0.5 Ethereum and it will be eligible for you to invest in. You will make a lot of money. Now when I mean follow these projects, I mean definitely follow them on Twitter and also join their Discord server to not to miss out any of their important notifications and also latest updates. Up next, we have Azuki. Azuki is one of the biggest NFT collections in the NFT world. And as you know, there's also a collection named Beans. And you can see, as they stated here, it's a side project of Azuki, just like Bored Ape Yacht Club and Other Side, which again means in the future they might launch more projects for us to buy and invest. Again, I would recommend following their Twitter account, also joining their Discord server for the latest updates. We will also update you if there's a new chance to buy that comes from Azuki or Bored Ape Yacht Club or our third collection, 9gag. If you can't find time to follow all of these projects, you can simply follow us on YouTube and also social media channels to get the latest updates and notifications. Last but not least, we have the memeland. Right now there are 3 NFT collections which you can invest in. And they are the Potatoes, the Captains, and You the Real MVP. I believe memeland will definitely overtake Bored Ape Yacht Club in the future. And I believe 9gag already has a bigger community than Bored Ape Yacht Club, and also at least Captains and Potatoes NFT prices are affordable when compared to the Bored Ape Yacht Club. It might be a good opportunity for investment. You the Real MVP is like their premium collection. There are only 420 NFTs and the floor price is, as you can see, 63 Ethereum. And very soon they are launching their own meme coin. And I 100% believe that they will give countless opportunities to make money in the future. So definitely follow their Twitter accounts, also their Instagram accounts, and make sure to join their Discord server because they announce everything, every update and latest news on their Discord server. So these are the biggest NFT collections as of now in my opinion, and you should definitely follow them. I will update this video in the future with the new collections and new opportunities. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Make sure to watch our NFT tutorial playlist because you will learn everything there is to know about NFTs after you finish that playlist. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And with that said, I will see you guys in our next videos.